Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to download video to MP3 from Google Vids. First thing, make sure you have your video. Click on this arrow, click on download as MP4. Now the video will start downloading, and what will you have to do, since Google Vids doesn't currently support MP3, go to cloudconvert.com, mp4/2/mp3. And here, simply go to downloads and drag and drop your video file right here. Choose MP3 and then choose convert. Right now, as you can see, the video has been converted. Press download and it will download to your downloads folder. So you can open it up to see. Right now you can see that it is here as MP3. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.